Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marches here with your outlook for March 9th, 2018. For your Friday, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies today. We have a little disturbance off to our north that is associated with that same upper-level system that was integrated with that coastal storm we had on Wednesday. But this is just going to provide a few light snow showers or flurries, mainly this morning for areas in our further south, but then it's going to just be across northeastern Pennsylvania, mainly for this afternoon. Not a big deal here, but I wouldn't be surprised to see somebody get a quick ground whitening out of it, and that's it. Just a heavier burst that comes through. Most areas will miss out on it entirely, but you will have some flurries and snow showers around this morning. So let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. I'm going to start this off in the morning, and you can see just some across the Poconos, maybe down to the Lehigh Valley, getting some light snow shower activity. This is just some weak snow showers moving through, and this is just going to be kind of hanging around early this morning. And then as we move through the day, it's just going to be consolidated mainly across the Poconos, but you can get some of these heavier bursts come in here. This is actually looking at later in the morning. And once we move into the afternoon, it's going to pretty much consolidate across northeastern Pennsylvania. You're going to have ongoing snow showers up in this area. And so we don't expect anything too bad here, but there could be, again, some light accumulations, usually under a half inch for most places. Just a heavier burst could drop that very quickly, and then everything is fine, and it probably melts right after it's done. So not a big deal today, but we will have those snow showers flying, so don't be alarmed if you do see that. And going forward from this point, this is going to weaken, die off, what have you, and when we get to the overnight, we're going to be turning partly cloudy. So the mostly cloudy skies today will be in association with those snow showers around, and otherwise we're going to be clearing overnight. Now everybody has big questions about the weekend storm. Is it going to happen? Is it not going to happen? And we're going to say no. Okay, I don't think this is going to happen. Looks like it's going to stay well to the south. The GFS was up a little bit further today and actually grazed southern New Jersey and Delaware on its way out. It does not have any support for that, though. As a matter of fact, we take a look, when we look at models, we don't just look at the NAM, GFS, Euro, Canadian, whatever. We're also looking at model ensembles, and what that is the GFS has 20 individual members that will basically take the same starting conditions, initial conditions, that it integrates into that model, and it'll run again another 20 times. Of those 20 times, which are simulations, by the way, they're all simulating the future of what's going to happen. Of those 20, only 4 on the GEFS, which are the GFS ensembles, were hits and agreed with the operational. The rest were all misses. The European ensemble has 50 of those individual members. Only 3 of those 50 hit our area. So that is 6% and highly unlikely. Okay, so we're going to not completely say that this is dead and dead to rights, but we're pretty close. All right, I think this is going to remain south of the region this weekend, and we're going to have a nice weekend Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be chilly, though. We're going to be chilly over the next week. We still have that blocking in place that's going to provide some chill over the eastern half of the United States, combined with the Matt-and-Julian Oscillation kind of hanging in phases 2 and 3. Those are colder phases for the March, so we will be cold yet. Colder relative to average, but I don't see any precipitation. We're actually going to go into a pretty long, extended dry period, I think, as long as that system remains to the south, which we think it will. And then this is now going out to Monday and Tuesday. Nothing to worry about here. We will have to get out. We'll have to watch on Wednesday night of next week. Right now, this is just a weak little wave that could provide a few snow showers here overnight Wednesday night, but there's another system that's going to stay well offshore, at least as projected right now. So no big events here expected in the next 7 days at least. Beyond that, you might get into a little bit more precipitation, but it's probably going to be in the form of rain as we're getting toward the middle of the month. We are going to start warming up again eventually, but not this week. We're going to remain cold through this entire period. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marches. That is your outlook for March 9th, 2018. Have a great Friday.